These are the elevators at the Line28 apartments in Highlands, Denver, Colorado. These are Otis Gen2 elevators. These, I think, are older, newer ones from, I think, 2013 or something like that. Because you have the older door operators. These elevators are locked. That elevator is actually broken, so we can calm myself back up. Oh, that's interesting. One's locked, we can go to one off. Directly outside, that's interesting. So not leaving fire regulations, since you can exit there, I guess. It's a basic Faker grain tall Otis cab with spot LED lighting. These are probably around 10 years old here. I think I've seen higher fits of the older door, but I don't think I've seen a Gen 2 there, because that's going to be it.